my name is Cheyenne, and today we will be going over some questions and answers. Othman wants to know, is cancer genetic? I don't know. Maybe we should talk to Marina.
Thanks, Cheyenne. Marina is taking a break. Let's see if I can help. Is cancer genetic? It has been estimated that only about 15 to 20% of cancer can be traced to genes, but I'm not a medical professional, so let's see what some others have said about the relationship between cancer and genetics. Prosperity Doc wrote, "No, cancer is not genetic. Cancer is a label in Western medicine used for many things. Regardless of what they call it or where it is located in the body, one does not catch cancer. One develops cancer over a long period of time. Today is being called one of the lifestyle diseases, along with diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, stroke, and heart disease." One does not catch these diseases. They are developmental diseases. They grow over time in the body. How? Stress and diet. Breast cancer, stress and diet. Consider that just recently, diet had little value in Western medicine. As long as you don't have a disease, your diet didn't matter. However, once you have one of these diseases, you are given a restrictive diet and drugs. Prevention is the easy cure. Start with knowing the difference between real food and chemicals called food. We've been duped into believing better living through chemicals, but not in our foods. All refined, reconstituted things from refined white sugar to Splenda are not food, they're chemicals. Real sugar is in its natural state, not white and found in fruit and vegetables. Pomegranates, blackberries, and blueberries have real sugar. It is called complex carbohydrates. An orange has real vitamin C, which is used in cancer therapies. Butter is a food and margarine is a chemical. A roach won't eat it. Margarine is a wax. Don't throw it away. Use it to wax the tires on your car. Read the label on bottles and packages. If you can't pronounce it, it's probably not a food. Beware of words like reconstructed and reconstituted. It's no longer a food. It's a chemical. Free radicals destroying your cells. It is the chemicals that you eat knowing or unknowingly that will grow cancer. We'll discuss stress another time. And now from some of the top cancer researchers. Contrary to popular opinion, cancer takes several decades to develop in humans. Given this long incubation period, science can show us the way to destroy any initial precancerous cells that keep the cancerous ones from causing widespread damage. If you think cancer has a genetic basis, then think again. Dr. Robert A. Weinberg of Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, one of the world's leading cancer researchers and discoverer of the so-called oncogene, that's a cancer-causing gene, reversed his previous conclusions after discovering that fewer than one DNA base in a million appears to have been miscopied. It's not enough of a defect. His exact words, "Something was very wrong." The notion that a cancer developed through the successive activation of a series of oncogenes had lost its link to reality. He called the genetic discoveries made thus far sterile. The prime cause of cancer is therefore not genetic. This was announced in 1998. In 2006, the heads of the world's largest cancer research center in Houston, Texas, announced that cancer's prime cause isn't genetic. If it could have happened, solving cancer with genetics, it would have already happened with genetic mutations, said William Brinkley, a senior vice president at Baylor, who says other research should take precedence over the Cancer Genome Project. Dr. John Mendelsohn, president of MD Anderson Cancer Center, states, any claims that this genetic research is going to be the key to curing cancer are not appropriate. Thus, the prime cause of cancer is not a genetic mutation. Even if cancer runs in your family, there is real hope. Unfortunately, the geneticists have it backwards, attempting to force the facts to fit their genetics-based theories when they don't fit the facts. Because, as Professor Harris demonstrated many years ago, cancer isn't genetically dominant. Where does this leave us? Where can we look for solutions? What about the popular nutritional solutions to fighting cancer? Dr. Otto Warburg discovered and clearly stated that the prime, most basic cause of cancer is too little oxygen getting to the cell. We find by experiment about 35% of inhibition of oxygen respiration already suffices to bring about such a transformation during cell growth. He stated at a 1966 conference of Nobel laureates in Landau, Germany. From the Committee of Diet, Nutrition, and Cancer. The difference in the rates of which various cancers occur in different human populations are often correlated with differences in diet. When people migrate from one country to another, they tend to acquire the pattern of cancer that is characteristic of their new home. For example, blacks and Japanese residing in the United States develop the spectrum of cancers that is typical for the United States, but different from that of Africa and Japan.
That's it for this edition of News and Insight. Our goal is to make learning natural, health, fun, and entertaining, so we welcome your comments and feedback. If you like this video, click the subscribe button for more of the same. See you next time.